Welcome to this enlightening video where we'll delve into the world of custom buttons and links. By the end of this unit, you'll be equipped to create custom buttons and links, add them to page layouts, and understand the distinctions between custom buttons and custom links. Let's begin by exploring the fascinating realm of custom buttons and links. Every organization has its own set of unique business needs, and custom buttons and links provide the flexibility to address those needs. These nifty tools allow you to add custom buttons and links directly to object and record detail pages. They become the bridge between your Salesforce data and external URLs, applications, your company's intranet, or other back-end office systems. But what exactly can custom buttons and links accomplish? Custom links, for instance, can direct users to external URLs, such as a website, a Visualforce page, or your company's intranet. On the other hand, custom buttons can take users to external applications, like web pages, and even launch custom links. In Lightning Experience, custom buttons and links are seamlessly integrated into your page layouts, appearing in different areas of a Lightning page. There are three primary types of custom buttons and links that can be created. List button, which appears on a related list on an object record page. Detail page link, which shows up in the link section of the record details on an object record page. Detail page button, which appears in the action menu in the highlights panel of a record page. We'll take you through each of these options, exploring how they can be used to enhance your Salesforce experience and meet your organization's unique requirements. In conclusion, custom buttons and links are powerful tools that allow you to bridge the gap between Salesforce and your specific business needs. Whether it's linking to external resources or launching applications, they provide a seamless experience for your users. The first step is to go to the object for which you want to create a custom list button. Navigate to the Setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, select Edit Object. Now look for the Buttons, Links, and Actions section. Once you're in the Buttons, Links, and Actions section, click on New Button or Link. You'll be prompted to give your button a label and a name. The label is what users will see on the button, so make it descriptive. You can choose from various actions here, but for this tutorial, let's focus on adding a flow. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a custom list button in Salesforce. Choose the object you're working with and click Edit Object. Once you're in the object editor, scroll down to the Buttons, Links, and Actions section. Next, we're going to add a new button or link. Give your button or link a meaningful label and name. This is important for easy identification later on. Now choose the display type for your button or link. Once everything is set up to your liking, click Save to save your new custom detail page link. Now let's make sure our custom link appears where we want it on the page. Go to the object's page layout. In the Page Layout editor, find the Custom Links section. This is where we'll add our newly created detail page link. Simply drag and drop your custom link to the desired location within the page layout. Click Save to save the updated page layout. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom detail page link in Salesforce. Choose the object you're working with and click Edit Object. Once you're in the object editor, scroll down to the Buttons, Links, and Actions section. Next, we're going to add a new button or link. Click on the New Button or Link button to start the creation process. Give your button or link a meaningful label and name. This is important for easy identification later on. Now, select the display type as Detail Page Button. Now, you'll need to add a link. This is where your button will navigate when clicked. Make sure to specify the link by entering the appropriate URL. Once everything is set up to your liking, click Save to save your new custom detail page link. Now let's make sure our custom button appears where we want it on the page. Go to the object's page layout. In the Page Layout editor, find the Buttons section. This is where we'll add our newly created button. Simply drag and drop it into the desired location on the layout. This is where users will see and interact with it. Once you've positioned your button where you want it, click Save to save the updated page layout. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom detail page button in Salesforce. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach